Oh, tender baby, dynamic lady, caring for home, say, have fun while you learn and lead the life of sun. Oh, tender baby, dynamic lady, caring for home, say, have fun while you learn and lead the life of sun. Telling the tales of sages, live long for ages, live long for ages. Oh, tender baby of caring home, heartiest congratulations on your glorious 25th birthday. Friends, to celebrate the silver jubilee year of TCH, would you like to accompany me? Yes? Come on then. Holding the hands, let's move. Just walk around and sing with me. Only make sure you hold the hands throughout the song. Oh, tender baby, dynamic lady, caring for home, say, have fun while you learn and lead the life of sun. Oh, tender baby, dynamic lady, caring for home, say, have fun while you learn and lead the life of sun. Telling the tales of sages, live long for ages, live long for ages. Woo! Please settle down. Thank you, friends. 3 cheers for TCH. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Honorable Kekre ma'am, Kekre sir, Anita ma'am, Rupali ma'am, Vaishali ma'am, all the dignitaries and my dear friends. Jai Hind. I'm happy that you all enjoyed with me. Good. Now friends, I would like to know, what did you observe while walking together? Yes. Please share your views with me. I would like to listen to you. Okay? Friends, I also observed a few things. But as usual, I'm confused. So would you please help me to clear my doubts? Yes. Tell me whether you could hold your friend's right hand in your right hand or left hand in your left hand. What? None of you could hold the same side? Oh, I see. What conclusion can be derived then? Oh, right. Agreeing to disagree is the first lesson of communication skills. Am I right? Yes. What a timely statement. Now it matters not whether I talk relevant or irrelevant to the topic, isn't it? Jokes apart. Friends, the ultimate aim of the communication skills is to see that interactor is happy, he is satisfied, isn't it? The way for a housewife, it is important to see her family members are happy. For a teacher, it is important to see that all the students are having fun while they learn. Similarly, for a communicator, it is important to see that the interactor is happy and satisfied. And everything and everyone is a communicator on this earth, isn't it? Rather in this universe. And this gives a deep satisfaction which keeps us moving and stable, isn't it? So to gain the absolute peace and unshakable tranquility, let's soar to the cynoshore with Shaili. Shaili welcomes you to enhance your communication skills through a brainstorming session. So prick your ears, widen your eyes and tap the brains to weigh your words. Is everyone ready? Yes? Good. Now friends, assume that before you enter your class, some mischievous children have written on the board, I will not even utter the statement. You can see in the video. My question is, what will be your response to see this statement? Yes, it's but natural to get angry and disturbed. Let's keep it aside for a while and go for the second statement. The situation is same. In the absence of teachers, some children write on the board. You can see the second statement. Again, my question is same. What will be your response? Yes. Padlet links are given below in the description box. Please click on it and share your response. Okay? Till then, of course, stop the video. Now, may I tell how did the teachers respond? Those who actually had faced this? In the first case, without getting angry, the teacher made an arrow after the word bail and wrote Haknare. Students whosoever were present over there, they read the sentence loudly. आमचे मास्तर बैल हाकणारे आहेत. Friends, in the second case, the teacher smiled on reading the sentence and with a great enthusiasm she added, I too. Of course, later she made the students aware of their duties. And being the eyewitness, I still remember it. The teacher who deepened our gratitude towards parents and evoked the sense of responsibility was none other than the all-time favorite and an all-rounder teacher, Mrs. Pratibha Kumar Mistry. Thank you, ma'am. Like Mistry ma'am, one more teacher has influenced the life of thousands of students like me. And needless to say that she is our beloved director and hard taskmaster, Mrs. Shailaja Ullas Kekre. She has bestowed upon us all the life skills and made us capable to shoulder the responsibilities. Kekre ma'am always says that if a child is 1x, the teacher should be 10x. And friends, whatever we had experienced in our college life, nowadays it is being seen in the school life only, isn't it? And that's why these two incidences are included here. What do these two incidences reveal? Please come up with your ideas. You're absolutely right if you do agree with me. To be patient shows great understanding and quick temper is the height of folly. Right? My grandpa always told, बोली तो अनमोल है ये समझ कर बोल. बोली तो अनमोल है ये समझ कर बोल. मुंह में तराजू तोल कर फिर मुंह खोल. And since then, I have been trying my best to weigh my words. Friends, grandparents always told the stories to tell us how to say, what to say, when to say, and where to say, isn't it? After all, however good our talk might be, but it should be appropriate to the time, appropriate to the occasion. In Kekre ma'am's words, right thing at right time or wrong time matters a lot. And this is what the upcoming story reveals. Once, a person had a stomach-full meal and with great satisfaction he said, अन्नदाता सुखी भव. अन्नदाता सुखी भव, आजच्याप्रमाणेच उद्या मिळो. Naturally, the host was very happy. He felt very nice. But next time, when the person said the same, that Annadata Sukhi Bhava, आजच्या प्रमाणेच उद्या मिळो, it was the 14th day of someone's death. So, isn't it true that our talk should be appropriate to the occasion? Friends, in this incident, one more message is hidden. Who would like to guess or read in between the lines? Yes? Please do try. Stop my video for a while and think over it. Exactly. Listening is an art. And that's why the great management guru, Sir Peter Drucker, says the most important thing in the communication skills is to listen what is not being said. Got it? Listen what is not being said. Oh, I can see a few sleepy faces conveying me no more boredom, please. Doesn't matter. We will take a break here. Okay? But only one of the partners, okay? One of the partners will sleep, they will have a nap, right? And the others will wake them up only whenever said. Only whenever said, right? Ready? All of you are ready? So one of the partners, you may have a nap now. Please, 1, 2, 3, relax. Okay. Now those who are awake, would you please sing these 2 lines? Yes?
आदमी जो कहता है, आदमी जो सुनता है, जिंदगी भर वो सदाएं पीछा करती हैं। आदमी जो कहता है, आदमी जो सुनता है, जिंदगी भर वो सदाएं पीछा करती हैं। आदमी जो देता है।
Thank you. And this is why in Marathi it is said, Satsangati sada ghado, srijana vakya kani pado. So to get that satsangati, please wake your friends up. Yes. I hope now everyone is feeling fresh. Yes? So Shelley welcomes you back for the brainstorming session, Weigh Your Words. दोस्तों, जो हमें जगा सके या जगाने की कोशिश करे, वो है हमारा सच्चा मित्र। कहते हैं कि रोगों का निदान करने वाले डॉक्टर का उपकार मानना बड़ा आसान है, परंतु दोषों का निदान करने वाले हितेच्छु का उपकार मानना अत्यंत कठिन है। And so, if anybody points out our faults, let's not mind it, isn't it? We should be grateful to the one who is correcting us. Previously, though I never intended so, I always sounded very rude to others. And from time to time, respected Kekre ma'am, Kekre sir, Suchitra ma'am, Pompa ma'am and Raj ma'am also tried to make me aware of this fact. So I'm very much thankful to them to squeeze out the best in me. Thank you, ma'am. And sir also. Yes. I'm really grateful to you. Friends, you might have seen that very few people do talk against themselves. Am I right? Jokes apart. Jokes apart, similar incidents had taken place in Russia at the Kremlin Palace. Once, a person rushed to the Kremlin Palace and shouted, Khrushchev is an idiot, Khrushchev is an idiot. Sir Khrushchev, a politician of Russia, was narrating it to the US President Sir John Kennedy. In turn, Sir Kennedy asked him, "May I know why the culprit got 23 years jail?" Sir Khrushchev spontaneously uttered, 3 years for insulting the secretary of the Communist Party and 20 years for disclosing the important secret. What a great sense of humor, isn't it? Oh, I can see somebody is giving me a clue that few of you didn't get that chance to sleep. Doesn't matter. Don't worry, you too will get it, okay? So here we will take a break. Now we will exchange the duties. Those who had the nap, now they will remain awake, okay? So the other partners, please, those who didn't get the chance, you can have a nap, enjoy it, and others will continue the discussion with me. Okay? Yes. 1, 2, 3, relax. Now you will discuss with me. Friends, we have been witnessing that all over the world, conflicts and fights go on simply or mostly because of the miscommunication, isn't it? What may be the reasons for miscommunication? Please opine. The Padlet link is given below in the description box. Click on it and opine. Your opinion matters a lot. Yes. So the miscommunication takes place mostly because of the prejudice. Sometimes the speaker murmurs. Sometimes it is because of imperfect listening, or maybe the language used is unknown, isn't it? So there are n number of reasons for miscommunication. Oops, wait, please wake your friends up, or else again the misunderstanding will take place. Please. Thank you. So is everyone awake now? Or anybody is snoring still? No. Well, thank you. Friends, any guesses? Why did we repeat the short break and exchange the duties? Right. You are right. Mutual understanding is the essence of communication skills. And to enhance the better understanding, we must step into each other's shoes. Isn't it? Am I right or not? तुम्ही काहीही म्हणा वा ना म्हणा. तुम्ही काहीही म्हणा वा ना म्हणा. हेच खरोखर की प्रत्येकाला वाटतं आपलंच आहे बरोबर. हेच खरोखर की प्रत्येकाला वाटतं आपलंच आहे बरोबर. पण विचारांचे आदान प्रदान त्याला भावनांची जोड, असं झालं तर सारेच कसे होईल की हो गोड. So friends, to make this session short and sweet, let's summarize it, okay? Let's see what all things we did. First, we had lots of fun. In other words, make people comfortable to open up. परंतु न इतना भी हलवा बन जो आए सो चखे, और न इतना कड़वा बन जो चखे सो थूके. Secondly, we agreed to disagree. If we do not agree to disagree, the communication ends and the arguments start. Right? Thirdly, we saw that the interactor should be happy. He should be satisfied, though disagree. The famous management guru, Dr. Sharu Rangnekar says, it is written in his one of the Marathi books, व्यवस्थापकाने हे जाणून घेतलंच पाहिजे की तो कुस्ती निकाली होण्यासाठी धडपडणार आहे, आखाड्यामध्ये उभ्या उभ्या खडाखडी चालू ठेवण्यासाठी नाही. आणि प्रत्येक मनुष्य हा स्वतःच्या जीवनाचा व्यवस्थापक असल्याने ही बाब आपल्यासाठीही अत्यंत महत्त्वाची आहे. Later, we saw patient response. We should be quick of our eyes and slow of our tongue. As बोली तो अनमोल है. So, right thing at right time. Next is read in between the lines. Gratitude, sense of humor, and mutual understanding. And the last, but the most important thing is application. गाडगे बाबा नेहमी म्हणायचे, अरे जगाला कायला शिकवतो, स्वतः शिक, जग सुतावानी सरळ होईल. And that's what I'm doing, as teaching is learning twice. So thank you so much for being with me. Jai Hind.